DSers is a leading automation platform simplifying AliExpress dropshipping. It streamlines key processes, orders, mapping, and pricing. With over 50,000 active users and integrations across Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, DSers automates order fulfillment, product mapping, and dynamic pricing, saving time and boosting efficiency. Setup involves linking your AliExpress supplier account and e-commerce store. Recent updates include AI-driven features for order processing, pricing optimization, and automated product descriptions using generative AI. DSers also provides real-time tracking and integrates with local warehouses for faster shipping via hybrid drop shipping. DSers offers a free tier and paid plan starting at $29 a month. DSers automates order fulfillment by syncing orders from your store directly to AliExpress suppliers via webhooks or API connections. Orders are synced via webhooks or APIs, with auto-fulfillment rules selecting suppliers based on stock and shipping. Mapping connects AliExpress products to your listings using variant mapping for accurate sync and bulk imports. Dynamic pricing allows fixed markups or competitive adjustments, with integrations for real-time changes and currency handling. Integrate with external APIs for real-time pricing adjustments and use the pricing calculator for currency fluctuations.